how to fix my STC login issue. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you the very basic or the common troubleshooting steps for you to bypass or fix my STC login issue. Now when it comes to this type of issues, there are actually a lot of experiences while logging in into your STC. The very first or the very main thing that you want to have to look for is make sure that you have stable internet connection before you log in into STC app. Now, the next thing is to make sure as well that you're currently running the latest version of the My STC application. You simply open up Google Play Store or any app store you use to download applications on your mobile device and make sure that the update button is not visible on my STC application. Visible, if it is, just simply tap on that and it will automatically update by itself. Next is if you're encountering bugs and crashes while logging in into the My STC application, this is what you will do. Tap and hold on the My STC logo or icon and hit on the I information here that will redirect you into app info. Scroll down and then under usage, tap on storage and simply comply both clear data and clear cache. Once you've done that, just simply try to re-log in into your My STC account and check if it is already working. So those are the common troubleshooting steps for you to fix My STC app login issue.